Promptearn is an online affiliate marketing place, connects creators, vendors, and marketers globally. As an affiliate, you get access to high-selling digital and physical products. And you can earn up to 75% commission per sale. They are trusted by thousands. They have over 18,000 affiliate marketers. And 1.6 million commissions have been paid out so far. I'm going to be telling you why Promptearn stands out among other affiliate programs and why I chose Promptearn. Promptearn is a beginner-friendly platform where anyone can actually start even as a beginner. They have low barriers to entry. Registration costs just 15,000 naira. They have high commissions, up to 75% in commissions. That is so high. Their products have quality vetting. The products listed on their platform have high quality vetting and sell so well, all thanks to vendor screening. And another amazing thing about Promptearn is that they have regular training. They offer in-depth training modules to help you improve your marketing skills. And the best part, reliable weekly payouts. Now here's how to join Promptearn.
Okay, so I'm actually on my notepad right now, and this is the link to Promptearn. You're going to get it in the description box or in the comment section. So I'm just going to click it. So I'm just going to open it. Okay, so once you click on the link, it's going to land you to this page. You can take your time to read through all of this. One of Nigeria's most successful online business owners who have helped hundreds of Africans make their first $2,000 online wants to help you set up an online business that can earn you $500 to $2,000 monthly. So you can take your time to read all of this. Okay, so this is actually the AIM course. The AIM course is actually a course on the platform, on Promptearn platform, that can actually help you to make money online. And the AIM course is the only course that actually gives you opportunity to sign up and earn money on the platform. So when you literally sign up and then you introduce people to this course, you're going to get commissions. Okay? While I'm showing you all this, do well to check my video as well. After watching this video, check my channel. You're going to see how you can actually promote your affiliate platforms and get sales. Okay, so just simply scroll down. Okay, so once you scroll down, you're going to click here. You can see click here to get started. The price increases to 25,000 naira. So now the price is actually 15,000 naira for now. You simply want to seize this opportunity to get started now before it goes up. So just simply click here. Okay, so you can pay with Naira, you can pay with Kenya or Ghana cedi, and then you can pay with your USDT. So this platform literally is for everyone, whichever country you're chatting from. So let's say, for instance, you want to pay with Naira, you click on Naira, for instance. Okay, enter your email address, your phone number, select your country, and then you're going to make the payment. So once you finish making the payment, you're going to get an email. So once you get an email, okay, so this is my message. You can see you've made a sale. You've made a sale. You're going to, anytime you make a sale, you're going to be getting all these notifications. You can see you've made a sale. You've made a sale. Okay. Once you make a sale, you can see you've made a sale. So let me go to my dashboard. So you're going to get to this interface. All you need to do is to simply log in. Because I've registered already, I'm just going to log in, right? So once you get the email from Promptearn and then you do everything necessary to get registered, you are simply going to land to this page. So you can see my dashboard. So this is my overall affiliate sales. I've made a total of 268.14 USD and I've made a total of 38 sales. And you can see I still have an affiliate balance that I'm yet to withdraw. I still have $60 here that I'm yet to withdraw. And I've placed a total of $208. right? So this can actually be you. If you come over to this three horizontal lines, you click on it, you're going to be land to this interface. So this is your dashboard, this is your marketplace, where you're going to see your affiliate links, where you're going to see all the courses available. These are the leads. Okay, if you click on my leads, so if you click on the leads here, you're going to see all the persons that you've sold to. These are all the persons that you've sold to and their emails. So you can actually use this email to reach out to them if you want. Okay. So if you come to, first of all, once you finish your registration, you're expected to come to this AIM course here. This AIM course is literally going to show you everything you need to know about this platform. It will show you how to make your sale, make your first sale. It will literally show you everything. You can see automated income machine course. Ensure you don't share your link with anyone, or else your access to it will be revoked. So you are not supposed to share your link once you register with anyone. Okay? Because they don't have to have access to this information. It's only for those that have paid. Okay, this is a welcome message. How to use the training, how to use Promptearn, how to copy and shorten your affiliate link, and how to view the sales page of a product, how to choose a niche and choosing a product that sells easily. So if you click on next, you're going to see a lot of things that they will teach you from this course. Okay, once you register. So let's go back. So if you then come to this marketplace here, now you're going to see all the courses that are available. So this is automated income machine. And this is the one I've recommended to you right now that is going to also help you to start affiliating for this platform. So once you register, ensure you promote this one as well. And they simply pay 15,000 naira for the course, and then they get access to promote the platform. All you need to do is simply copy your link here by promoting it. Click on the link on that promote and copy your link. Now, this is another course on forex mastery. Anybody that wants to, a lot of persons are literally making money through forex trading. So this course can actually teach you everything about forex trading. Okay, and you're going to get 50% commission by promoting that course. So you have freelance wealth, you have monetization made easy. Okay, and you're going to get up to 60%. Car importation blueprint, action group business course, like all these are available for you to promote on this platform. There's a lot of them. If you click on more, you're going to see more.
Every platform has its downside, and Promptearn is not exempted. If we're talking about the risk in selling digital products and how you can actually avoid them. Some products may not convert. You may not be able to sell some products. So don't just promote randomly. Stick to only products that you see that has enough reviews. You know that people are really selling very well. If you follow Google Trends and adverts on Facebook, you will see that a lot of people are talking about a particular product. Hop into that product and promote the same product. That's to tell you that people are really searching for such products. Number 2 risk is competition. Many affiliates may promote the same products. That is why you need to stand out by providing real value so they will choose to buy from you. Number 3 is risk message, no sales. Ensure you use clear benefit-driven copy and sharing strategy. You can actually avoid all this risk by choosing the right and hot selling products and promoting them strategically. Offer value to people before you sell to them and give value. And always be consistent. Show up at your duty post. Always create content. Always show yourself. Always bring yourself out there and be consistent. That is how you win. So if you're passionate about content creation and digital marketing, Promptearn can actually help you earn passive income. You can actually earn with Promptearn while helping people provide value. It only takes 5 minutes to set up. literally register, pick a hot selling product and start promoting, just like I am doing right now. I've literally promoted Promptearn to you. You can do the same. And yes, you get paid every Sunday. Are you ready to start earning? Check the link in the description box or in the comment section of this video or in my bio and sign up via my special unique link. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see your first Promptearn sales rolling in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be notified.